Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you the fastest way to create a main menu in Unity, perfect for beginners. We'll use Unity's platformer template, slice UI assets using the Sprite Editor, add sounds, and hook everything up with simple logic. Let's start. First, create a new Unity project. From the templates, choose Platformer, then create the project. When Unity opens, save the current scene as Level 1. Now open Build Profile and add Level 1 scene to Build Setting. This will be the scene we load when the player clicks play. I've already prepared a single UI image that contains all main menu assets. It includes the background, menu frame, option frame, buttons, and icons. Just drag this image into a new folder called Main Menu Assets/UI. Select the UI image. In the inspector, set texture type to Sprite, 2D in UI, and Sprite mode to multiple. Click Apply, then open the Sprite Editor. Click Slice, choose Automatic, and press Slice. Unity automatically separates all UI elements into individual sprites. This is much faster than exporting each image manually. Now create a new scene and save it as Main Menu. This will be the first scene players see when the game starts. In the hierarchy, right-click and create an empty game object. Rename it to GameController. This object will manage menu logic, scene loading, and audio. Add a canvas to the scene and set the UI scale mode to scale with screen size. Also set reference resolution. Select Canvas and zoom out. You will see Canvas boundary. After that, select Game tab and drag it to right side of the screen. Now we have two screens display, one for Scene Editor and one for Game Scene. Add the main menu background image first. Then add the menu frame sprite. For quickly center anchor, hold Shift and Alternate or Option, then click Center Anchor. Inside the frame, add 3 buttons: Play, Options, and Quit. Replace the button images using the sliced sprites. Use Ctrl or Command D to duplicate button. Create a new UI panel for the Options menu. Add the Option frame sprite and a Close button. Disable this panel by default so it's hidden at the start. Create a new C# script called MenuController and attach it to the GameController. Remove default code and replace with this code. You can get final script at description link. This script will load level 1 when play is clicked, show the options panel, hide it when close is clicked, quit the game when quit is clicked. After script compiles successfully, select GameController object and you can see 3 public variables in inspector, 1 for option panel and 2 for audio sources, which are background music and click sound. Now assign option panel first. Add 2 audio sources to the GameController, 1 for background music set to loop and 1 for button click sounds. I've prepared audio for background music and click sound MP3. Just drag it to audio folder. Now assign them to script property. Now we will assign click event for buttons. Select play button and scroll down in the inspector. Find on click section. Click plus button and drag GameController object into object field. Find MenuController from drop-down list and choose play function. Do the same process for remaining buttons. Press play and test the menu. Play loads level 1. Options opens and closes correctly, and quit works when the game is built. And that's how you create a main menu in Unity Fast. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more quick Unity tutorials. Thanks for watching.